Wow. In the past 24 hours, Pi has gone up 21.71%. Now look at the market cap sitting at 2.84 billion, and then the trading volume in the past 24 hours is over $124 million. I know we are all excited that Kraken is listing Pi Network. Now, let me give you a better reason to be excited. The question that you should be even asking, that of all the time, ever since Pi has listed, why is it that it's now? Why is it that it's now that Kraken decided to list Pi Network? You probably don't know this. Now, Kraken decided to list Pi Network because the project has gotten to a stage where it can attract real trading demand and liquidity on major exchanges. Now, the key reasons why Kraken decided, because Kraken is one of the biggest exchanges around. So the key reason why Kraken decided to list Pi Network is number one, huge user base. We know that Pi Network has tens of millions of users worldwide, many of whom have mined Pi Network coins for years. Now, what this does is it creates a large potential trading community. Now, people is what makes a large trading community. It's simple, and that is something that exchanges like Kraken looks at before getting into a project. Now, the second reason why Kraken decided to list Pi Network is first major US regulated exchange listing. Now, Kraken operates under strong regulatory framework in the US. The fact that Kraken has decided to list Pi Network now gives access to US investors who previously could not trade Pi Network easily. Now that the US citizens are now having access to Pi coins, it is a very big win for the Pi Network ecosystem. Now, the third reason why Kraken decided to list Pi Network is the growing ecosystem and upgrades. Pi Network have been expanding recently with the protocol upgrades, the development of the Pi DEX, and now they're deciding to branch into AI. So with the whole activities of Pi Network has gotten Kraken to be attracted to the token enough to want to list the token on their exchange. Number four reason why I think Kraken decided to list Pi is the massive community hype around Pi Day. Now, the listing was scheduled around March 13 to 14, which we know as the Pi Day, a major annual event in the Pi community. That gives them an edge also, which is why they decided to list Pi Network during this day. Now, what this creates for them is high media attention, strong trading activity, and price volatility, which exchanges profit from through the fees. And also, the last reason why I think this happened, exchange listing drives liquidity. So they've seen the much traffic that Pi Network has. So they're trying to drive that traffic because they know traffic means liquidity. So they're trying to drive that traffic from the Pi ecosystem to their exchange to even gain more recognition in the crypto space, because Kraken needs that publicity as well. So it is a win-win for the both parties. That is the reason why this is happening. Now, the big news about this is Pi Network has successfully entered into the US market. Now, the US citizens can now trade Pi, which is a big deal for us as pioneers. So this is one thing that you should also have in mind and be happy about, because with time, Pi Network is already beginning to cut across the entire world, and before you know it, it is a successful project. And by the time this thing starts materializing and then the next bull season comes, we are going to be rich. That is one thing you should also have in mind. So if you like this video you just got, kindly help me smash that like button and also subscribe to my channel to get more amazing content like the one you just got. So that's basically what I came to bring to your notice today. I'm going to be seeing you in the next video, but until then, bye for now.